G'day traders. Today I want to walk you through an option strategy that you can use to protect a long stock position that you've got a nice gain in. So here we're looking at a Microsoft stock that has rallied since purchase price, and we're up about $2,600. We've got earnings. This is as of October 22nd. We've got earnings coming up on October 27th, and we're a bit worried that the stock might drop. So we want to protect some of these gains. So the strategy is called a zero cost collar. And what we do to set that up, we go and buy a put below the market. Let's say we want to cap, um, make sure we don't lose anything below 205. We'll still end up in a bit of profit scenario there, as you can see. And then what we do, we're buying that put option for about $5. Then on the call side, we go and find the options that are trading around the same price, 535, and we sell that call option, which is out of the money on the call side. So we've still got a little bit of upside potential as well. And you can see how our payoff diagram has changed there with the long stock position. It's just a one-for-one relationship. As the stock goes up, we lose. As it goes down, as it goes up, we win. As it goes down, we lose. Whereas now we've capped our losses at a price of 205. In fact, we'll cap it at a gain of minimum we're going to make is about $1,600, $1,550. And the cost of that is giving up some of the upside potential as well. But we've just protected our position. We know that the worst case scenario, we're going to be out of the trade with a nice win. So there you go, zero cost collar to protect a stock position. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you soon.